have them, like these types. 100% fruit juice smoothie. We got cherries and whatever. But I was concerned about oh, here, this is interesting. It's vanilla chai. So it's soya tea beverage. And the other one was a coffee beverage. And then you've got all your, see what it's consuming here. Your A's, your C, your calcium. And then soya, concentrate water, soya, cane sugar. So it's the same thing as the coffee, only with the tea. So that's pretty cool. And then you've got these juices, which are just the juices. Okay, so and then they've got the green juice. All berry, mango, blueberries. These are blueberries, these are berries, strawberries, and then you've got the happy feet. This is a chocolate, and these are coffee as well, coffee smoothies. Okay, signing off right now, just looking for some coffee, something to get me going.